Good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you. My name is Vikas Yadav, and currently I am doing internship in Amul. Uh, I have completed my graduation from Guru Gobind Indraprasth University. Currently, I am doing PGDM in Finance and Marketing from Lloyd Business School. I have 1 year experience in also digital marketing. That's all about.
What is the difference between pursuing digital marketing from any renowned college or university than pursuing commonly from a common institution? What's the difference? Is there any difference? They are also earning. You are going to take almost 2 years, but they are going to complete within 3 months.
Sir, basically, when we doing any post graduation in any college, do you have chance to place in any good place? But when you do in any local institute, you learn skill definitely, but you have no chance to collect good placement, I think.
Don't mind. I have got personal experience with people of digital marketing agency. Somewhere I find they don't work honestly because the work has a lot of potential. It requires a lot. It consumes a lot of time, and they have not got enough team to work for that. You think they collect so many assignments and the projects after that they leave it? Means they are just looking for new. You know, to complete the SEO of one website, it consumes literally a lot of time.
Sir, definitely you are right because in Earth every type of people are available. But when we are talking about any marketing field, I think this is a future. Uh, you were talking about SEO. This is a only part of digital marketing. But in digital marketing, in different things, I think PPC, SMO, also on page, off page. It means technical things. I think every person has different department. So this is totally depend on department. SEO is a basically organic.
Let me ask you one question. When this concept came in the market, they came with the tagline, it is quite cheaper than your offset marketing. But at present time, you will find digital marketing is more costly than offset marketing.
I agree with you, sir. It is not cheaper because cheaper thing never will give good result. If you pay good amount for anything, definitely it will give result.
Okay, let us know what do you know about digital marketing AI.
Yes, sir. Basically, digital marketing is work on customer taste. What is a customer taste? AI not give anything extra. AI in digital marketing working like of algorithm. AI help to understand better way what want a customer in future, in season, and basically what type of things customer are finding. These type of things AI help in content. AI is help in many field in digital marketing.
As I generally find a mark on your forehead, are you a religious guy? How many times do you worship in a day? Because I also went to temple and I had a mark on my forehead, but within 30 minutes it was removed by me because I was sweating, so I just wiped. But you still help.
Actually, sir, in morning and I think in evening 2 times.
Okay, whom do you worship? Who is your favorite god?
My favorite quote is Kanaji.
Your favorite god is Kanaji. Could you tell why are you fascinated about Kanaji? What fascinates you about him?
Sir, I think this is only Kripa.
Kripa.
Yeah.
Do you have any practical example? Kanaji has means given grace, graced you with something. Do you have an example that earlier you had not, but all of a sudden you have got just by God's grace?
Actually, sir, without Kanaji, I think you can't do anything this type of things. If you believe definitely positive things in your life, come. So then you see, I think कि ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं है.
It's not in my hand.
Yeah. So I think that's why.
Last questions. Any strong lesson that you follow, given by Shri Krishna?
I think one day I will die. So why I do wrong things in my life? Because if I will die in future, so I think I can try to do right things. I think.
But people are doing wrong thing just because of they know one day they will die. That's why they are doing. The problem is to live on this earth.
But-
that is not the problem.
Sir,
That is the solution.
but sir, every action has one reaction.
Okay.
So I think this concept is after death you will again birth in earth and a reaction with you. I think that's why.
Well answered. Well,